Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to use common Android phone. Not even a big phone, not even an iPhone. Alright? Common Android phone, how to use it. Record your video, then edit it on Capcut. How to edit it, add the necessary colors that you need to add, sharpen it the way you need to do it so that your video can go viral. Let me tell you, if your video is not sharp enough, if your video is not well edited, if you upload it on Facebook, if you upload it on YouTube, wherever you upload it on the internet, those people, those apps, they will not forward your video, they will not recommend your video to people because they don't like video that are not up to standard. This may be the reason why your video have not been going viral. If you don't edit your video well, there is nothing you are going to do. Your video will never go viral because they cannot recommend a dull video to people. Follow me. Let me show you free. What I want you to just do for me, say thank you at the comment section. That is all I want you to do for me. Is that too big to ask? This training I'm going to give you free. Share this video so that others can partake. Then say thank you at the comment section. Let's go. The first thing you are going to do is to head to your Play Store or anywhere you know you can download your app, and then download Capcut. Download Capcut. This is Capcut. This is how the logo is. This is how the logo is. This is Capcut. Where is my Capcut? This is Capcut. All right. This is Capcut. This is how the logo is. Can you see it now? Download your Capcut, then open it. Then when you open it, all these ones you will not see it because your own is new. You never work anything inside. All right. Then new project is what you are going to click. New project is what you are going to click. See it here. Click new project in order to bring in the video that you want to edit. All right. Now, this is the video that I want us to use. Here in this video. This is the video that I want us to use. You can see this video now. You will click on the video here. The first thing that we are going to do, which I really want to show you here, there are many things that you are going to do to make sure that you edit your video. I cannot exhaust all in this particular video, but there is one aspect that can make your video to go viral. That is what I'm going to show you. Let's go. You scroll down here, and then you are going to see adjust. Click on adjust. Can you see adjust? This is the adjust. All right. When you click on adjust, then you will see many options here. You see that place where they wrote you see where they wrote you see where they wrote, you see something like this. Don't click it. Because that place, if you click that place, they are going to charge you to pay. It's not free. Those options are not free. All right. But the remaining ones where those things are not written there, that is where you are going to click in order to do adjustments. And the ones that are free, it's okay for you to make your video go viral. See brightness. See brightness. Now, you are going to control this. You see how it's changing? See how it's changing? See how it's changing? Now, whenever there is a way I used to do my own, like every of my video, I will bring it down to, let me show you, -5. My own used to be on -5. If you have your writing materials, you can write this thing down. Then you can also set your own the way I used to set mine. Then you go to contrast. You see that contrast? You see the you see how it's changing. You control it, you control it, you control it. Then my own used to be on, this one is not minus, so this one is plus. And plus there, you will not see plus there, you will just see 21. 21. Then saturation. Saturation. See my own. Saturation. You will leave it on -1 or 0. -1 or 1 or -1 or 0. Leave it there like that. Then brilliance. Brilliance. Bring it to -13. Then sharpen. You see this sharpen? Take it to the end. 100. All right? Then you see this clarity. Don't touch it. Although they say it's free, but do not touch it. Don't touch it. After you do this, you check this video. You can see now that the video is sharp, is wet, is okay to go like this now. Now you will, let me show you another, just one more thing. How to like activate, that is when you are talking, then it will be writing automatically. What you are saying will be writing automatically on the screen. All right. So I want to show you how they do that. Go to test. All right. If you go to test, then you go to auto captions. Auto captions. Now, all these, you check the one you like here. You check the one you like here. You see them? All these ones are free. Check the ones that you like. I used to like this one. This first one. Then you click generate. You see how it's generating? You see now? See now? Wait until it reaches 100. All right? After this 99, it will delay a little bit. Then it will finally bring out the text. Auto caption. Automatic subtitle. When you are talking, people can be reading what you are saying on the screen right away. This is how they used to do it. Now, you can see it now. You can see it now. Let me play this video now. You see.
Here in this video,
You see now?
I'm going to show you how to use common Android phone.
You see now?
Not even a big phone, not even an iPhone.
You see now?
Alright?
You see now?
Common Android phone, how to use it.
You see now? Then, if you observe anything,
Record your video.
if you observe anything that is not well, that you want to change, all right? Now you click here like this. You click again. You click again. Click here. See now? It will come up. Then you can now use your keyboard here to adjust whatever that you want to adjust here. All right? When you are done, then you export. All right? This is how you can do it. So I'll bring this video to an end here. Ensure you share this video and let us partake. Thank you.